Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to search effects on Instagram. So for example, you saw an effect or a cool effect on Instagram and you really want to use that, but you didn't actually see where the effect is. So we could actually search for effects on Instagram. May it be on your story, on Reels, we'll be able to find it through their search functionalities. So first thing is you want to actually go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Then from there, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. And here you want to go to story. Now for you to actually search for a effect on stories, you want to actually just scroll in the effect section on the circular center of your screen there. That's where the effects are. You want to go to the very right of the effects and you'll be able to see the magnifying glass or search icon in there. So just click on it. Then from here, we have the effects available to us. So they have categories here, like for example, trending, appearances, aesthetic, games, and humor, and special effects. But if you want to use a specific keyword to search for an effect that you recently saw, you just want to click on the search or magnifying glass that you see on your screen there. And from here, you just want to type in the keyword that you want to use. So for example, we want to search for a blur effect. So just type in blur and just hit on the magnifying glass at the bottom right of screen. And from there, you'll be able to use this specific effect here that you want to use. So for example, we want to use the first blur effect here, and that would actually apply it on our camera here, and you'll be able to see the sample. So if you want to go back, just hit on the X button to see on your screen and to go back into the previous window, and or you could just basically click on the photo that you see on your screen, and that's the effect that we just recently searched, and that's about it. So for you to actually search for an effect for Reels, though, the same thing will apply here. Just click on the plus button at the bottom and just choose a reel here. On the reel, you want to choose or add a photo that you want to use. For example, we're going to use this photo of the dog. And from here, choose the effect at the top right of your screen. That's next to the download button on your top right of your screen there. And the effect section will now appear. So it also has categories here, but it's a lot fewer than we have on our stories. But we could actually just search it again by clicking on the search at the top left of your section there. And from here, you could basically search for the effect again. Like for example, we want to search for blur, and the same results will actually appear here. And you could just choose the one that you want to use, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.